Sea level rise, facts, impact and adaptations. The reason for a rising sea level is the increase in greenhouse gases, which cause a rise in atmospheric temperatures. This results in a thermal expansion of the oceans, the global melting of glaciers, and the loss of Greenland's and Antarctica's ice sheets. In this figure, the results of a recent NASA study from 2015 is presented. It is based on satellite data of a period of 25 years. According to the study, the sea level is rising at different rates around the world. However, a clear trend can be seen in recent years. In the 1990s, the sea level increased on average by only 2.5 millimeters a year. Today, an annual rise of 3.4 millimeters is recorded. Higher sea levels will result in more frequent and stronger storms, an increase of coastal erosion, a soil and freshwater contamination in coastal areas, as well as the loss of habitats on land and in the sea. Possible adaptations to a rising sea level include the moving of roads and infrastructure to higher elevated areas, planting mangroves or building seawalls to prevent erosion, and temporary ponds for high tide or storm surges in cities. Nevertheless, these measures are not a remedy against rising sea levels, but only short-term adaptations to their effects.